So as you can see, more Google Gisheshiche provincial government. So I'm gonna open the website. So this website is not government, it is run by private, as you can see, .co.za, not sponsored by them, just saying. So today we are Northwest. So go Northwest, Rotoma with the provincial legislature. Let's see who go at the provincial legislature, and then after that we will go to the office of the premier. So let's see first. And there it is, right at the top on the menu, right here at home, careers. Wow, they made it very easy. So, very nice. They had a job recently that was opened. All right. Oh, that's okay. So what do we got? 1-1. It's a call. And what were the requirements? CV, 3 contactable original certified copies, applicant's application letter accompanied by a recent CV. Alright, so if you applied for this, all the best. Are Premier's office. So remember, as I'm showing you these websites where I'm visiting different places, it is for you to also have your own catalog. So with this catalog, you're able to do a week by week exercise to visit these different places in order to find job opportunities and eventually secure employment. So the one really easy. Northwest Provincial Government. What? They put it right there at the top. So I like the consistency. So I go careers. Alright, the Premier Lazarus Kariso Mokhotsi. Okay, download the new Z83. Wonderful. They even made it very easy for you as you're applying. And then they had their last vacancies advertised on their website in May. February, November. So every now and again, visit these websites to check or are there new opportunities open. If you cannot afford to buy newspapers, you cannot afford to travel, you cannot afford data, you can even visit the library where you're able to get access to these to get access to a computer in order to visit these websites. You're able to also visit the NYDA office in order to get access to these websites to apply for a job. So visiting the government offices, they're able to direct you, or you're looking for an employment opportunity, this is what is the status right now. No, so smudge. But otherwise it is 83 So let's see what other things does the Northwest provincial government offer. Northwest, so different departments. So as usual, the national government as well as the provincial government, it is like they have brother sister departments. Not all of them from national translate into provincial, but you would find that a majority of the services that we do require did like a match of the national and the provincial government. Now, apart from that, let's look at the public entities that are there in the provincial government, because I said departments fail. So on the public entities, we have the Arts and Culture Sports Foundation, the Development Corporation, Northwest Gambling, Northwest Parks and Tourism, and Northwest Transport Investment. So let's start first with the Parks and Tourism. Northwest Parks and Tourism is this private. Okay, I'm going to risk it. Broke my heart. Parks and Tourism. Okay, let's go to the next one. Now we know. Lesson learned. Yes, huge. Okay, so we're looking for opportunities and jobs. Up here, adverts and interviews. Maybe that's where it is. No, it's not where it is. Let's go back home. info center. There it is. Under the info center, she right here under the info center. Yeah, tenders and vacancies. Nice. So Narnyaka vacancies. So under the vacancies, when was this posted? It's still downloading. Oh, yeah, they have quite a number of vacancies that have been open. Asset inventory, planning, monitoring, evaluation, audit systems. Okay, this one's just generally vacancies, but with the size of the file, you can tell there's quite a number of posts inside. It's probably one. But yeah, so visitor the Northwest Gambling Board, Wanyaga Spani, they also keep a good record, or actually by the publisher on their website. So the next one is the Northwest Development Corporation. Northwest Development Corporation, go Northwest to one up like see the different departments, different job opportunities that are available go Northwest so let's see right here at the bottom. So there's tenders. Looking for download reports vacancies is possibly we're looking for vacancies. So this is a tender. Okay, I think they've just complicated where we must find jobs. No. Training, investment opportunities, no. I'm looking for a job. I'm not looking for reports. I'm looking for adverts. Just span. Okay, let's try again. Alright, I think it'll fit more because even low Balamo, I don't see any mention of vacancies. So maybe I'm scrolling too fast. I don't see any mention of vacancies. Just see tenders. So if you do find the link here on your mobile to applying for Spani at the Northwest Development Corporation, please leave it there in the comments. Please, you are not helping me, fella. You're also helping everyone who's looking for a job in Northwest. So let's go to the next one. While we're Northwest, it's Mabana Arts, Culture and Sports Foundation. So Mabana Arts, Sports, Culture and Foundation. So look, I'm going to tender fella. I want more. No look for tenders. Yes, it is a great opportunity to look into, but at this moment, at this time and stage, is not our focus. Focus right now, move. So vacancies, or should we ask the chat? Let's ask the chat. Why? What the hell's going on? Why is this chat like this? Hi there. Yes. Hello. I'm looking for a job. It's a good trick. Give me or get such a form. I'll come back. So if you are looking for a job at Mabana Arts, Culture and Sports Foundation, it is based in the Northwest, send a message. Here's a chat bot, just to give a message. So now because I'm showing this to you for your interest, you will now do the final steps. So Mwala is part of your catalog of places to visit when you're searching for a job. You can even email them, see if they have a contact information. Email them, if possible, contact them, see Nazi phone number, Nazi email, Nazi physical address. Look, I'm looking for this is who I am, these are my skills, this is what I can bring to you guys. And the last but not least is the Northwest Transport Investment State-Owned Agency Limited. So we are looking for a Merek. Where is the job? Where are they posting the job opportunities? No, for an operating center. I'm looking for employment opportunity. This is not even pressable. What is pressable here? Nothing is clickable. The only clickable things here is business opportunity. Alright, so if you're into business, there you go. And if you were looking for a job, here's also the contacts where you can contact them and ask them, oh, look, can I send my CV? Can I send my application? They even have a business development unit. Speak to them, see what they can do for you in terms of business. You would like to enter this market, or petrol, or diesel, or mechanic, welder. Talk to them, see what business development they can do for you, or what type of business you can offer them in order to develop yourself. Right? These are the contact numbers if you're looking for a job, or even other opportunities that you may want to discuss Lebona, since they could be near to where you are. Either you are in Wadlu, or you are in, what is this one? Babeleri, Mabopane, Pretoria West, what is this? Sam Kopak Wadlu. So reach out to them. So giveaway, that's just a tutorial about the Northwest Province. Like, that's how you get to it. It's not Google or Provincial Government of South Africa or Northwest. And here they are, the government, the departments, and the public agencies that we just finished speaking about. Remember, in some of them, they may not ask you for a Z83, they may ask you for a cover letter, but in all of them, they will always ask you for your CV. They will always ask you for the 3 contactable referees. So thanks for watching this video. I will see you on the next one. Sharp. Oh, Mr. Kobe, by the way. Peace and love.